What are you saying, people? Back with a bang. This is the money management. Now, as you guys know or may have seen over the last few days, the stock market has just been going up and up and up. And a lot of people have made money in the stock market, including myself. So I thought to myself, why not today, since I love helping you guys, since my aim is to help you guys, why not do a stock breakdown? So it would definitely be nice to make a video or two every once in a while if you guys do enjoy them, and more frequently if you guys really do love them. Because it's no good only me making money, it's no good other people making money when you guys who are watching my channel are not making money. Now the thing is, of course there are people making money in the stock market right now, and a lot of people are making money. You're probably seeing a lot of screenshots, a lot of people getting crazy returns, you're seeing people's portfolios, you're seeing people get gains, and you're probably thinking, how can I do that myself? I want to do that myself, I want to get in on it right now. Yes, it is hot right now. The stock market is extremely hot. It seems like everywhere you look, everywhere you turn your head, every time you open up your social media, people are making money, people are hitting the jackpot. New traders, old traders, experienced traders, inexperienced traders, beginners are all making money. And again, you're probably thinking, how can I get in on that? So I thought today, why not show you guys what I'm looking into from today till Friday, letting you guys know what I do, what my criteria is when I pick a stock, what I'm watching right now, what I'm gonna do, what kind of moves I'm probably gonna make, depending on what happens. But of course, the point of this is not to force you guys to invest in what I'm investing in. Because remember, at the end of the day, it is your hard-earned money. But the point of this is to show you guys my process again, explain how I do it, how I've made money in the stock market over the last few days. And I mean, it is true. Right now, it looks like everyone's making money. For example, yesterday was my biggest single day percentage gain of this year. I ended up with just under an 8% gain to my portfolio in one single day. Now, for those of you who know about stocks, you guys who have been investing in stocks, understand that, usually you expect to get an 8 to maybe 12% return each and every year. In my portfolio, like I said, I got that in one single day. And now that is not crazy, because there are many people out there who are getting even more gains, even bigger gains, even crazier gains in one single day. So, is now the right time to invest in the stock market? I would say yes, but you need to know what you're investing in, because there's always a good opportunity in the stock market. I've seen people saying that, yeah, the stocks are up right now, but when the stocks are going down, what are you guys gonna do? You can't outperform the market for, 10 years straight. That is true. But when stocks are going up, there's opportunity. When stocks are going down, there's also opportunity. You can make money both ways. But like I said, I'm just going to show you guys some of my stocks, explain what I'm doing right now, maybe give you guys some eye-openers, some clues on what to watch right now, what to follow, and eventually it's up to you to go and do your own research, do your own due diligence, and pick what you want to invest in. Because remember, it's your hard-earned money, you're the one who earned that money, you're the one who worked for that money, not anyone else. Not me, not any of the other subscribers, not anyone who's watching this video. You earn that money, it's your hard-earned money, so you decide what you invest in and what price. So I think it's a good time that we dive into my laptop, take a look at what I'm looking at, and give you guys those breakdowns that I've been talking about. So as you guys can see here, I have my list of 15 stocks, and each and every week I like to, list around 12 to 15 stocks, which I'm going to actively watch. So this week I have, 15 different stocks, like I said. And last week I actually made a lot of money off DS, MGM, and also GE. So they're still, in fact, MGM and DS are still in my watch list this week. And I'm actually still trading DS. But yeah, we'll just go through a few of my stocks and show you guys why I'm interested in them this week. I think it'd be relevant if we started with a defund the police stock today. So Smith & Wesson, as you guys can see, yesterday it made an 8% gain, well, almost a 9% gain. And if we just quickly, have a look at it, I see a lot of potential with this stock, and reasons being, in the last month, it took a couple of dips, down to just under $14, but now it's back up to over $15 and it's still trending upwards. So in the last 5 days, last Friday, it closed at just over $14, and yesterday it shot up to $15. That's why, as you can see, it's, like I said, it's been trending up. It's still trending up, and I think there's a lot of potential with this stock. So two of my favorite indicators to use are the MACD and the RSI. And if you look at the MACD indicator right now, if we go here, right now, it's trending just under the MACD indicator. So once it hits above this line, it should continue to trend up. Same with the RSI. It looks like it's uptrending, but again, you never know what could happen. Usually, as you guys can see, if it trends below the MACD, it stays pretty close, and when it's above it, it gets pretty high. So again, like I said, I'm closely watching it to see what it would do today. Again, we're still about half an hour out from when pre-market opens, so it's going to be interesting to watch this one. All right, let's take a look at Nikola now, NKLA. Now, this one, as you guys probably have heard, has been going crazy. So NKLA, Nikola. Well, this stock was previously VTIQ before the merger, and last week it was trading about $30 per share. Now, this one has been crazy because, as you guys can see, just $35 per share, 34. And so this one yesterday had a crazy day.
the stock price doubled, more than doubled. Actually, it went up to $92, highs of $93 yesterday. And it's dipped back down now, but as you guys can see from the MACD indicator here.
Sorry, I mean MA line. And as you guys can see, I'm using a 50-day MA. Usually I use a 20-day MA as well.
As you guys can see, it's still going up. It closed yesterday at $73 and now it's at $83. And I'm pretty sure this one is still going to run for a little while. There's a lot of hype on it right now because of the merger. A lot of people are investing in it. Newbies, people who have a lot of experience, people who have a lot of money are investing in it. This is one where I see a lot of opportunity. I'm going to watch it closely because yesterday it was actually at $57. I did not invest. I wanted to watch it a little bit more. And right after that, it shot up crazy to $90, like I said. So I'm going to watch this one because I think short term, there's a lot of potential. Long term, there's still potential. I don't think it's going to match Tesla. But again, it's something which is going to try and challenge Tesla. So it's going to be an interesting one to look at. Now, there are many more you can look at here.
You can take a look at some of these individual stocks in your own time.
So if I go back to my list, see what else we had going on.
So just to go back, and I have a few different watch lists actually. So it depends on what I'm trading. Long-term holds, short-term holds, swing trades, day trades. But yeah, I have a lot of different lists as you guys can see. But let's take a look at this week's list.
So we have a few more for you guys to look at. VSTO, IVR, VAL, XAN, HALL.
Another reason that I've made money in the stock market over the last few days, over the last week, is because I also do a lot of research. I've got my own notebook. I write things down, my different price points, my different stocks to watch, the price that I'm going to invest in, the price that I'm going to invest a few shares, the price that I'm going to buy many shares. Now, of course, there's a lot of different criteria that goes into those stock picks. So I just want to make sure that you guys know that I'm not just basing my stocks off anything. I'm not just going off other people's opinions. I'm doing my own research. And that is the exact same thing you guys should be doing as well. So it will definitely be interesting to see how these plays play out. So once market opens, you're going to see a lot more fluctuation. And right now it's about 20 minutes until pre-market opens. So that's about just under an hour until market opens. So there's going to be a lot of fluctuation in pre-market, and there's still a lot more to come during today's trading day. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's stock breakdown. Let me know, please, if you want to see more stock breakdowns. Let me know if you guys like those kind of things. Also, please let me know if you do like these kind of breakdowns as we go into them, because I'll definitely make a lot more. I do this myself in my own free time. And like I said at the beginning of this video today, let me know if you guys want to see more stock breakdowns. Let me know if there's any certain stock that you guys actually want me to break down. Hopefully, you guys can take advantage of the opportunities right now. Put your money into things which are going to bring you back more money and take advantage of those opportunities that are presenting themselves. Remember, with the high potential for reward, there's also a high potential of risk. You can earn money, but you can also lose money. So make sure you're aware of that. So please remember to drop a like, comment if you're new around here, comment if you've been around here, let me know your thoughts. As always, hit the red button below if you're new around here as well. Share these videos with your friends, get them out to more people. But thanks a lot for watching today's video. That's it for today's video, guys. I got one to making. You got stocks to be watching. See you guys tomorrow for another video. Peace.